All right, guys, today we're diving into one of the biggest debates in the Python world, VS Code versus PyCharm. Which one's actually better in 2025? Let's find out. So first, let's quickly talk about what each one is. VS Code, it's Microsoft's free open-source code editor. Lightweight, super flexible, and supports basically every language you can think of through extensions. It's like a blank canvas. You build your own setup. PyCharm, on the other hand, is JetBrains' full-featured IDE made specifically for Python. It comes with everything you need out of the box: intelligent code completion, debugging, refactoring tools, and deep integration with frameworks like Django and Flask. So in short, VS Code is all about customization and speed, while PyCharm is about power and depth. Let's compare them head-to-head on the most important points. Features. PyCharm wins big here. You get advanced debugging, database tools, and a professional-level code analysis system right from the start. VS Code can do all that too, but only if you install the right extensions. Speed and performance. VS Code definitely feels lighter and faster to start up. PyCharm can be a bit heavy, especially on older laptops, but the Pro version's advanced features make up for it if you're doing serious Python dev work. Ease of use. VS Code is super beginner-friendly. Minimal setup, clean interface. PyCharm can feel a bit intimidating at first, but once you get used to it, it's incredibly efficient. Customization. VS Code is basically unbeatable here. Want to turn it into a full-blown Python IDE or a web dev powerhouse? Just install a few extensions. PyCharm isn't as flexible. What you see is mostly what you get. Overall performance and workflow. If you're coding small scripts, doing data analysis, or working with multiple languages, VS Code is perfect. If you're a full-time Python developer or working on large, complex projects, PyCharm gives you the edge with its smart refactoring, testing tools, and project management. So here's the bottom line. If you want speed, simplicity, and flexibility, go with VS Code. If you want power, deep Python integration, and professional-grade tools, PyCharm is your best bet. There's no absolute winner. It really depends on how you code.